Gifted Gang, it's Dreona Zhané, and I am back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or you've just been stalking my page, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video, and tap that notification bell so you'll be updated every time I upload a video. It is Makeup Monday, and I have not done this in a couple of weeks, and I got lipstick on my teeth, but we're gonna keep on rolling, y'all. So this is like a simple everyday look. I didn't do too much. This literally took like 30 minutes. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Alright, honey, let's get into it. So I start off with the NYX eyebrow glue in the shade Clear, and I just make sure that my eyebrows are stuck like no other. Then I take Benefit's Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in the shade number 5, and I outline my entire eyebrow. Most of the time I only do the bottom because I don't want it to look too heavy. I want it to keep a natural look at the top, so I usually outline the bottom and brush that up in the shape that I want it to look. Bada boom, bada bang. It's not too much. I don't do all that extra stuff. It's just so simple. Now, in my videos, my eyebrows do tend to look different sometimes. It just depends on the mood. But for this everyday look, you just watch what I'm doing right here. So you see, I don't go all the way to the front of my eyebrow. I kind of do it from the middle all the way back if I'm doing the top, just to give it a little shape, but I still want it to have that natural appeal. Just keep on shaping it the way you want to. Yeah, just keep doing that. Alright, so next I am going to take Clinique's Beyond Perfect Foundation and Concealer. I got this for free at Ulta, but it's not my shade, so I just use it for concealer most of the time. This is in the shade Ginger. So I'm going to outline my top and bottom brow with this. It gives it a nice pop and definition, but it doesn't make me look casket sharp, so it's not overdone. It's the perfect shade for the top and bottom. Now, most of the time I will go in with a darker color at the top, but I didn't feel like it. I just grabbed that and made it do what it had to do. And then you want to go in and blend. Oh, y'all. See, I forgot to moisturize and prime my face. So we skipped a step. So for the primer, I use Tarte's Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So yeah, just go with the flow. Go with the flow. I be messing up sometimes, but you know, get what you get. Alright, now we're going to go in and we are going to blend that together. And I blend messy, but when I blend. You won't see an imperfection when it's done, I'll tell you that. And, you know, as you mess up or you need to clean up, just make sure that you put your eyebrows back in shape while you are blending. And I mean blend so you can't blend anymore, honey. Just keep on blending, keep on blending. All right, so next we're going to take the foundation NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. I have really grown to love this. And then I'm going to take the Morphe setting sprays, the continuous setting spray mist. And I put that all over my brush, put that all over my face, and put that on my hand where the foundation is. I want my face to be hydrated. So I will blend, and I will blend till I can't blend anymore. You won't see not an imperfection when I am done with this. And I mean blend. If it gets a little dry, add just a splash of setting spray. I want my face to look hydrated, glowy. I want it all. I want it to look fabulous. Do you hear me? Get your hairs out the way, get the edges out the way, and blend, honey. Just blend. Not too much, not too much. Just blend. You don't have to do all that. Just blend. Eyes, get the eyes, everything. Just blend. All right, next we're going to take NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Shape Warm Honey Concealer, and I am using that to highlight because that's just what I do, honey. I highlight in all the spots where my face naturally highlights, and it naturally highlights, honey. Even on the days that I don't wear makeup, I be hot to lighting. All right, I sprayed some more of that setting spray and I am blending all of that in together to make it seamlessly. I mean, make sure you blend. You're going to see some dance breaks here and there because that's just what I do. I mind my business. But yeah, you keep on blending, honey. Just keep on blending. For some reason with iMovie, it would not let me fast forward. I messed up my camera and my laptop, so I'm recording and editing on my phone. It is a pain in the butt. So hopefully soon I will be able to get all of that fixed so I can speed up the process a little bit more. So I have to add stuff to talk about here. So just keep blending, keep blending. All right, so after that, I want a little bit more highlight in my lighter spots on my face. So actually, this is the contour step. My bad, y'all. So I'm going to take the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Tarnisha, I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to contour in all the spots that I want to bring out and show more features. And then I'm taking the Sephora contour brush. This is my favorite contour brush ever. It gets the job done. It gets in all the right places the way that it needs to. And yeah, you're just gonna blend. Just blend, 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 blend. Disregard how not seamless it looks. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and get all that together so you won't see any imperfections when it comes to that. See how I did that? Look at that. All right. Get your nose, honey. Just make sure that nose is pinched. My nose is already pinched, but I just like to be extra. Just like to be extra. Look at me. Extra. That's literally what I call it. Now I'm going to take ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium Dark. And I want to highlight my under eye and my nose. I want you to see me coming, honey. See me coming. And I'm going to blend that. I don't have to add too much because I literally already have highlight already on. So just blend that in really well. Okay? Just keep blending. Okay. All right. So after you have blended till you can't blend anymore, you're going to take the Playing and Makeup by Yolando Luxury Translucent Powder Setting Powder in the shade Translucent, and you're going to put that all in your highlighted spots under your eyes, your nose, that highlighted portion on your forehead, your cupid's bow, and your chin. And I also like to do it under my jawline, along my jawline, because I need that to be chiseled. I have naturally strong features, so my cheekbones are cheeking, honey. So I like to make sure I emphasize on my cheekbones. So I make sure that I get that blush, or sorry, get the powder, and I clean that up really nice. Do you see how chiseled my cheekbones are? Show them, honey. Show them, honey. You look bomb, honey. It's coming together. I am really digging this look. It's simple. I'm not doing too much at all. All right, so after you've taken the translucent powder, you're going to go in and also you're going to get the dark one. Also by playing it and make you buy on the same setting spray, but this is the shade dark. And you are going to get all of the spots that you didn't hit with the translucent powder. So I'm doing my cheekbones, I'm doing my forehead. Everywhere that I contoured is where I'm applying this. My eyebrows, sorry, my eyelids. Y'all, I'll be tired recording these voiceovers. It's always when I don't feel like doing it. But y'all just bear with me. And I mean, you better powder and dust. You better bake and shake, honey. And I like to clean my face up with a clean face brush, all over face brush. All right, my favorite part, blush, crayon case, the blush binder. Don't know what shade it is. It's the second from bottom on the right side. They don't have shades on there. So I take that and I put that in random places, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, you know. And then I'm going to take Benefit's Gold Rush Bronzer in the shade Warm Golden Nectar. And I am going to apply that along my cheeks. I just want a little bit more pop. I just want to be bronzy and golden. So yeah, I apply those right over my concealer. I got glitter on my forehead from Lord knows where. All right, spray the face, spray the face, spray the yeah, spray the face. Okay, make sure. I like to glow, honey. I like to glow. So next, I'm going to hit those lips, honey, and I am taking Juvia's Place, no, NYX Matte Lip Liner Club Hopper, and I am aligning my lips. Yep, yep, yep. And then I'm taking Juvia's Place Matte Lip Gloss, Lip Matte Lip in the shade Candice. Yeah, I am not a makeup artist. I just like to play in makeup, so excuse me. I don't know everything. I really love this color. It is bomb. So yeah, make sure you clean it up, honey. Clean it up. Yep. Just watch as I do. Watch as I do. And I like to go back in and make sure that I am focusing on my lip liner. That's the favorite part. And I blend my lips in. Then I am taking NYX Lip Lingerie. No, this is Milky Gloss in the shade Cookies and Cream. And I'm putting that right on top. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So beautiful. And this completes the look, honey. Get into it. I don't know where I was going this day, but I was lit. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week in a next video.